Hey y'all, it's Jennifer. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you have not already, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know anytime that I post a new video. This week I did do a Pinterest challenge for myself. I went on Pinterest and I picked out outfits this week that I did enjoy. I used items from my closet. I did not go out and purposely purchase anything. Anything that I have was either purchased within the last 2 weeks or it was already in my closet, mostly already in my closet. Each item is mostly from Walmart, Target, Dollar General, Cato, and there is one purse I have that is from Goodwill that I used. So nothing is high end, everything is very affordable. You can do this for regular size or you can do this for plus size. So let's just hop right on into it and make sure you comment below on what outfit was your favorite. I do put in there what I think is my favorite outfits. There are a couple that I could do without that I'm probably not going to wear again, or I may change up, but there are definitely two that were my favorite.
This first outfit, the jeggings and the sweater are from Walmart. The boots were from Rue 21 for $12 a month ago. And the scarf and the purse, they were gifts, so I'm not sure where they were from. This outfit was really comfortable. I could have wore it anywhere. This outfit, I did like it, however I could have used a different sweater, but the boots were from Cato, the jeggings, the undershirt, and the sweater are all from Walmart. The boots, I do have to tell you, were $18 at Cato on sale. This outfit, the overshirt is from Cato, the t-shirt and the leggings are from Walmart, the boots are from Target, and the purse was a gift. This outfit, the cardigan is from Walmart, the dress was from Kohl's, and the boots were from Cato on sale for $13.99 3 weeks ago, and the purse was a gift. This outfit, the sweater and the purse is from Dollar General, and the purse is reversible. The tank top actually is from Dollar General. The leggings and the boots were from Walmart. This outfit, absolutely loved it. The blazer is from Burlington Coat Factory. The shirt is from Rainbow. The jeggings and the shoes are from Walmart, and the purse is from Dollar General.
So that's it for this video. If you would, please comment below what you think is your favorite, and if you're still watching, thank you. And again, please make sure that you do hit that subscribe button and the notification bell again so you know that anytime I post a new video. But if you would, please give me a thumbs up if you do like this video.